Okay, the next thing we're going to do in the process is actually create a scooter ad itself, something that you need to sell, so creating the advert. Now you do this by a simple process of signing into your account. Now in turn we can do that by basically information and login, manage your account button here, or simply the login button here. Now remember, this is stage 2 in the process. We've already created our account. Now if we're continuing on, we'd already be at the right page, but in this instance we've signed out and we're going to sign back in. So simply just put your username and password and the security code again. We've simply just logged in. Now, manage your account brings you to creating a scooter ad. Now, what you simply do here is hit the create a scooter ad button. Now, firstly choose a make. Let the page refresh. That's just refreshed. And then we're going to choose a model. We're going to put a price in. No decimal points, full value. Next, we're going to put a license plate number. And fifth, if we have it handy, we are going to put the engine number. Now, we're then able to put a series of information into the text area here. Now, if you're familiar with text areas, you can quite simply place it here. If you need to do anything like bold the text or anything like that, you can use these simple tools here. You can even put a link in if you need to link them somewhere to more information. As we go down the page, the last step in the process is to actually upload a picture when creating our advert. So we would browse our computer, and in this instance what we do want to do is we want to select a picture to put into the advert. So what I've just done there is selected a picture off my computer, and you can see it upload there. So there you go, there's a picture of the actual scooter that I'm using to place in my advert. As you can see here, you can load up to 7 images, and the allowable extensions are JPEG, and the allowable size is a max of 5 meg. Now try and have them as light as you possibly can, because you don't want to be waiting forever for things to upload into the site. The larger the file, the longer it's going to take. So if you require any further assistance, just feel free to email that address there, and obviously you're watching this video and we're using this as an example. So last step in the process, create your ad button at the top of the screen. So we're happy with that. If we want to go back in and modify it, we can. Okay, we can't change the make and model now, so that is one thing to get right at the start, but we can go back in and edit our text. Okay, we can upload more pictures if we require, because as you know, we can upload 7 images. So we just hit update there. You can come in and update your ad at any stage. Now your ad has not been paid for. Now it's $30, run it till you sell it. If you need to pay for your advert, you just hit the pay button here. This advert has not been paid, pay this ad. And then we've got our St. George hosted or payments page, if you like, to actually put your credit card number in. So the card holder name, card holder number, okay, a security code if required, and the card expiry. Now the amount is set at $30 Australian including GST, and you hit submit payment. Now this is the last step in the process. Once you actually have paid the ad, then it goes back to the actual accounts page and your ad is processed immediately. So once payment is confirmed, your scooter advert will be published immediately. So basically you just hit OK. If you get a security warning, just hit continue. Now, of course that card was invalid, so in turn what we're going to get is a reason or a payment. The requested payment has not been accepted. So if it was accepted, we go straight back to our account page here, and in turn you would have an approval saying your ad is now published, and it'll be in green, not red. So that's it. You've now placed a scooter ad itself. That's a clear explanation of how to do it. Again, if you have any issues, feel free to email or call us using the information tab and contact us. So basically, have a good day and thank you for using scootersales.com.au.